Welcome to MIG Cars here at 313 Lincoln Road. It's a little bit of a different review today. We're not looking at a hybrid or an EV. Instead, we've got this really cool 3-litre 6-cylinder turbo X5 M Sport M50D in the showroom. Normally this will be at our Sydenham yard at 140 Wordsworth Street, but we're doing a wee review on it today and we're going to show you around the whole car, and a lot of the optional extras are on this car. Cool, so we'll look mainly now at the front of the BMW. As you can see, we've got fog lights set into the bumper amongst a lot of grills to keep this engine cold. Now the headlights on these BMWs are part of their adaptive headlight technology. So that means that the LED lights will actually dim and change when different cars will be coming past. Now on the side of the car, we can see absolutely huge 20-inch alloy rims. We've got our M badges, obviously, and we've got scoops that come out from the wheel arches. So we start at the back of the X5 M50D, and straight away we see this cool electric automatic tailgate. Cool, so we can see that we can also open the bottom part of the tailgate to make it like a tabletop kind of a scenario. And we can look into the boot as well, and we can see it's a fully carpeted boot. There's a lot of extra storage space in it. We've got a car cover on the top, and we've also got one fuse box on one side, and on the other side we've got a inbuilt first aid kit. And staying at the back of the car, we've got another really cool optional extra. This is a retractable tow bar, so it comes out and comes in as you like. This is the inside of the X5 M50D, and we've got a lot of extras, and we've got a lot of really cool gadgets here. So first of all, we've got the speakers up here. These are Harman Kardon ones. This is an optional extra, ranging at around about $2.5 grand to get those, so pricey. Down the bottom here, we've got fully adjustable seats. It's got seat memory function as well. So this is all fully electric, and we can actually move the rest out of the seat here as well. Now down the bottom is all of our light controls. Obviously we've got steering wheel controls, we've got paddle shift, we've got our adaptive cruise control up here as well, and a lane keep assist. Cool, now we move on to the middle section of the car, which I like to call the toys. So we start off with probably the most boring toy of all in this car, air conditioning. We've got climate control in the front, and we've got a console in the back for climate control in the back as well. This is our multimedia screen. We've got a lot of things on the screen. We can do radio, we can do vehicle information, we can do office, we can do telephone, we can even watch TV on this. You can be driving home after work and you can be watching the news. Really cool function on that. And up the top here, we've got a big panoramic sunroof, and we've got the sunroof controls just up here as well. Thank you very much for watching this video of the X5 M50D. If you liked the video and you liked the car, then feel free to come on and have a look at the car, take it for a test drive. You can go to our website, www.migcars.co.nz, or you can give us a call. The phone number is on our website. This car will be situated most of the time at 140 Wordsworth Street in Sydenham. So don't come to 313 Lincoln Road for this one. Go straight there, 140 Wordsworth Street in Sydenham, and we'll see you there.